Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Notepad++ on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So go ahead and open up your browser of choice. Doesn't matter to me. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And into Google search, I'm going to just search for Notepad++. And best results should go back with downloads Notepad++. Go ahead and open that up. And I'm going to select the most up-to-date release here. And I'm going to select the green download button. Once that installer is done downloading, I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And if you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. You can minimize or close out of the web browser at this time. Select the correct language and then select OK. It's going to say welcome to Notepad++ setup. Go ahead and select next. Agree to the license terms. You can change the destination path if you choose to do so. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and select next here. Next again. And if you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, you can. Otherwise, just select install. And then if you want to run Notepad++, you can immediately. Otherwise, you can always search for it too through the start menu search. Select finish. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.